Ne, here's an interjection like hey or listen. Hey.
ねえ。落ちたよ、これ。落ちたよ、これ。
Uchiru means to fall. Ochita, fell. And yo gives an informative feel, as in alerting someone to something. Ochita yo, it fell down. Kore means this. The usual way to say this sentence would be Kore ochita yo, this fell down. But in casual spoken Japanese, it's common to say the first thing that comes to your head, like alerting that something fell down, then add more context later. Therefore, ochita yo kore also makes sense. The language is flexible enough to shuffle around parts of a sentence. It fell down. This.
落ちたよ、これ。
ありがと
Arigato means thank you. Thanks.
別にいい。拾っただけだから。別にいい。拾っただけだから。
Betsu ni ii is an expression meaning it's no big deal. Hiro means to pick up. Hirota, I picked it up. Dake means only. Hirota dake, I only picked it up. Dakara means because or since. Hirota dake dakara, since I only picked it up. It's no big deal, since I only picked it up.
別にいい。拾っただけだから。
念のため用意してきた堂島家の連絡先が書かれたメモだ。
Nen no tame is an expression that means just in case or for caution's sake. Yoi is preparation. Yoi suru, to prepare or to get ready. Tekuru has a few uses, but here it shows an action that is maintained from an earlier point in time until the point of reference. Yoi shite kita, I've got it ready. Nen no tame yoi shite kita, I've got it ready just in case. Ke, used after a surname, means house or family. Dojima ke, dojima residence. Renrakusaki is contact information, like address, phone number, and so on. Dojima ke no renrakusaki, contact information of a dojima residence. Kaku means to write, and kakareta was written. Dojima ke no renrakusaki ga kakareta. The contact information of a dojima residence was written on it. Memo is a note or a memo. It's the note that has the contact information of a dojima residence written on it, that I've prepared just in case.
Oi! どうした? Oi! どうした?
Doushita is an expression that means what's the matter or what's wrong. Oi, hey, used to get someone's attention from a distance. Hey, what's wrong?
Oi! どうした?
堂島の車で家に向かうことになった。
Ie is house. Mukau means to go towards or to head towards. Ie e mukau, to head home. Koto ni natta indicates something that has been decided. Ie e mukau koto ni natta. We ended up heading towards the home. Kuruma, car. Dojima no kuruma, dojima's car. Dojima no kuruma de, in dojima's car. We ended up heading towards the home in dojima's car.
Inabashi 中央通り商店街ガソリンスタンド。
Chuo means center or middle. Dori is street or avenue attached after a street or avenue name. Chuo Dori is a common name for roads found in Japan that translates as Central Street. Shoutengai is a shopping district or shopping street. Chuo-dori Shoutengai, Central Shopping District. Gasoline stando is gas station. It's a word made in Japan from English gasoline stand. Shi, city, attached after a city name. Inabashi, Inaba City or just Inaba. Inaba, Central Shopping District, gas station.
いらっしゃいせーいらっしゃいせー
Irashase is irashaimase but said in a fast way. It's an expression to welcome customers in shops, restaurants, and so on. Welcome!
いらっしゃいせー
トイレ一人で行けるかトイレ一人で行けるか
Toire is short for toileto, toilet. Hitoride is an expression meaning by oneself or on one's own. Iku, to go. Ikeru, to be able to go. Hitoride ikeru, to be able to go on one's own. And ka makes it a question. Hitoride ikeru ka? Can you go on your own? Can you go to the toilet by yourself?
トイレ一人で行けるか
Is an informal way to say yes. Yeah.
奥を左だよ。左ってわかる？お箸持たない方ね。奥を左だよ。左ってわかる？お箸持たない方ね。
Oku is inner part or back. Hidari is left. Oku wo hidari is short for oku wo hidari ni magaru, turn left at the back. And yo gives an informative feel. Wakaru means to understand. Wakaru? Do you understand? Te is used to quote hidari, left. Hidari te wakaru? Do you understand left? Ohashi is chopsticks. Motsu means to hold in one's hand. Motanai, to not hold. Ohashi motanai, to not hold chopsticks. Hou is way or side. Ohashi motanai hou, the side you don't hold the chopsticks. And ne at the end is used as a request for confirmation. Turn left at the back. Do you understand left? The side you don't hold the chopsticks, right?
奥を左だよ。左ってわかる？お箸持たない方ね。
わかるってば。わかるってば。
Teba at the end of a sentence indicates annoyance, like, come on. Wakaru, to understand. I understand. Jeez.
わかるってば。
Now let's watch the entire scene and see how much you can understand. Pun not intended.
ねえ。落ちたよ、これ。別にいい。拾っただけだから。
おいどうした
いらっしゃいせー
トイレ一人で行けるか
奥を左だよ。左ってわかる？お箸持たない方ね。
わかるってば。